Welcome to the Whalemobile. Today, we're going to learn all about whales. We will go inside a life-size model of a humpback whale to learn more about whales. First, we need to blow up our whale model. Her name is Nile. Let's go inside the whale to learn more about these amazing animals. If you look around, you can see the whale's skeleton, or bones. On the side, you can see the rib bones. Can you feel your ribs on the side of your body? Whales have rib bones just like you do. If you look up, you will see the long, white spine of the humpback whale. Can you feel the bumps that run up and down the middle of your back? That is your spine. Whales have a spine just like you do. Their bones go all the way to the base of their tail, but they don't have bones in their tail. A whale's tail is made of cartilage. The end of your nose and your ears are made of cartilage, just like the whale's tail. Whales are mammals, just like you. They have many of the same parts in their bodies that you do in yours. Isn't that cool? Inside your rib cage is a really important body part, your heart. Whales have a heart too. Inside the whale model, the heart is flat. In a real whale, the heart isn't flat. It is round, just like yours. Imagine how big the whale's heart is. Your heart is about the size of your fist. Compare that to your heart. The whale's heart is much bigger. Your heart is important because it pumps blood around your body. Feel your own heartbeat. It's pretty fast. A whale's heart beats much slower. Humans are medium-sized. Their hearts beat at a medium rate. Whales are much bigger, so their hearts beat much slower. Another important body part in your rib cage is your lungs. Whales are air-breathing mammals, just like you. They breathe air. It comes in through their blowhole on top of their head. The blowhole is like their nose or their nostrils. Why do you think the blowhole is on top of their head? Think of the way a whale swims. The blowhole is on top of the head so they can easily come up to the surface, put their blowhole out of the water, take a breath, and swim back down. If the blowhole was on the front of their nose, a whale would have to stop swimming and stick its nose out of the water to take a breath. That would make it hard for the whale to take a breath and keep swimming so easily. That's why the blowhole is on the top of their head. What do you do when you go underwater? You hold your breath. Guess what? Whales do the same thing. They hold their breath when they go underwater. Humpback whales typically hold their breath for about 5 minutes. But some whales who dive really deep to feed on food hold their breath for 1 to 2 hours. The record holder is a whale that held its breath for 2 hours and 18 minutes. Humpback whales don't have teeth in their mouth. They have baleen. The white sheets inside the whale model's mouth represent baleen. On a real whale, the inside part of the baleen is hairy. It's made of keratin, just like your hair or fingernails. When the whale feeds, it opens its mouth, swims through the water, and the fish, krill, and water come in. Then the water gets pushed out through the baleen, and the whale swallows the fish and krill that stay in its mouth. The fish and krill come down the esophagus to their stomach. Humpback whales actually have 3 stomachs. There's only one stomach shown inside the model. Each stomach gets smaller and smaller and breaks down the food more and more. Inside your body, you have intestines. A whale has intestines too. If you stretched out a whale's intestines, they would be 300 feet long. That is the length of a football field. After the whale digests its food, it is going to have to go to the bathroom. If scientists are out on a boat studying whales, they write down what color the whale's poop is. That helps the scientists learn what a whale was eating. If they are eating little fish, their poop is light brown. If they are eating krill, which are red, their poop is bright red. This information helps scientists understand what is going on in the whole ecosystem. Did you know whale poop also helps you breathe? Whale poop fertilizes the ocean and helps the plants and plankton grow. Many people know that trees make oxygen. But plankton also make oxygen. Plankton actually give us more than half the oxygen on our planet. So right now, take 2 breaths. You can say, "Thank you, trees," for one of those breaths. But you also need to say, "Thank you, plankton," for the other breath. So whale poop actually helps you breathe. Think about that. Whales and whale poop also help the planet. That's one of the most important reasons why we need to protect whales in our oceans. Whales fertilize the ocean, which helps everything grow. That helps the planet. I hope you had a great time learning about whales today.